In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. This will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Notion account. Pull up your browser, go to the Notion website, and enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, you're one step ahead. Once you're inside Notion, it's time to select the page where you want your to-do list to live. You might already have a suitable page for this, but if not, don't worry. You can easily create a new page by navigating to the sidebar on the left and clicking on the New Page option. Give your page a name that resonates with its purpose, something like Daily Tasks or Project Checklist. Now here comes the magical part of Notion. With your page ready, click on the page surface to ensure your cursor is active. Then, simply type the word To Do and press Enter. Instantly, you'll notice a checkbox appear. This is the foundation of your to-do list, so let's capitalize on it. With your first checkbox item right in front of you, it's time to brainstorm or list out the tasks you need to tackle. Click next to the checkbox and type in your first task. It could be something as simple as review project documents or send outreach emails. Once you finish typing, hit Enter. This action will drop your cursor down to a new, ready-to-use checkbox where you can start typing your next task. Continue adding items by pressing Enter to drop to the next line after each task. This simple act of typing and pressing Enter helps you rapidly populate your to-do list with all the tasks at hand. Remember that these checkboxes are interactive. This means once you've completed a task, you can just click the checkbox to mark it as done, which gives a satisfying feeling of accomplishment. And just like that, you have a fully functional to-do list at your fingertips in Notion. But why stop there? You can further explore Notion's powerful features like adding due dates, tagging projects, or even categorizing tasks within sections to keep everything organized. For today's quick guide, creating these simple steps has brought you a straightforward and actionable to-do list. As you get more comfortable, feel free to explore the wide world of possibilities inside Notion. Whether you're using it for simple task management or building complex project dashboards, this tool can cater to all your productivity needs. That wraps up our journey to creating an efficient to-do list in Notion. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.